So something else I wanted to share was talking a little bit more about the SARC report. For our lesson plan, we did choose the elementary school that I work at, which is Frank Kahn Elementary in Tulare. And it was just kind of cool in a way, not really cool, but being able to connect me working with the kids and the report and seeing how accurate it is and kind of how we could have implemented that into the lesson. So like, for example, in the report, for race and ethnicity, 79.7% of Frank Kahn Elementary School is Hispanic or Latino, and 22.3% are English learners. At the school, we do have Lexia groups, which I have helped with, so you kind of see how students struggle, and whenever they don't know a lot of English, and just a lot of the statistics are kind of crazy because even in the SARC report for socioeconomically disadvantaged, it's 82.9%, which it's kind of crazy because Tulare County, I know that it is considered a low-income district, and I've grown up here, and it never really felt like it just felt normal. Like, so that's why it's crazy seeing now that I'm older and, I'm going into education, then I have to take account of all these things because these can, be my students one day, and, I'm already working with them. And it just helps you make a lot of connection, and I feel like knowing a lot of these statistics does help you when you're working with students, because there's times where you meet a student and they're homeless, and there's a lot of ways that you need to adjust your lessons into helping them, and I feel like that was really important and helpful to include into our lesson plan and learning throughout the semester.